Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Vishwanath CC, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, JSS, Arts, Science and Commerce, Degree College, Gokak. This college is affiliated to Rani Chennamma University, Belgaum. Today, we will discuss one of the important topic, that is polymers. This topic for BSc 6th Sem Physical Chemistry, Paper 1. First, we will see the meaning of polymers. What is the meaning of polymers? Poly means many, mers means parts or unit. This word is derived from Greek word. Then what is the definition of polymers? Polymers are very large molecules made when hundreds of monomers join together to form long chains is called polymers. Example, polyethylene. When ethylene undergoes polymerization to form polyethylene. Next, we will come to the monomers. What are monomers? Monomers are the small molecules which combine together to form a large molecule is called monomers. When monomers undergoes polymerization to form polymer chain, this is the polymer chain. Next, we will come to the polymerization. What is polymerization? Polymerization is a process of reacting monomer molecules together in a chemical reaction to form polymer chains is called polymerization. Example, the transformation of ethylene to polyethylene. Next, we will come to the classification of polymers. Based on origin source, it is classified into two types. One is natural polymers, second one is synthetic polymers. Based on their backbone, it is classified into two types. One is organic polymers, second one is inorganic polymers. Based on the structure, it is classified into three types. One is linear polymers, second one is branched chain polymers, third one is cross-linked polymers. Based on the mechanical behavior, it is classified into two types. One is thermoplastic polymers, second one is thermosetting polymers. Based on their ultimate form and use, it is classified into four types. One is plastics, second one is elastomers, third one is fibers and liquid resins. These are the classification of polymers. First we will see the based on origin source, it is classified into natural polymers and synthetic polymers. What are natural polymers? They occur naturally and are found in plants and animals are called natural polymers. Example, cotton, cellulose, starch, resins, rubber, silk, wool, etc. Next is synthetic polymers. What are synthetic polymers? Polymers synthesized from two molecular weight compounds are called synthetic polymers. Plastic is the most common and widely used synthetic polymer. It is used in industries and various dairy products. Example, nylon 66, polyethylene, PVC, etc. This is the synthetic polymers. Next, based on their backbone, it is classified into organic polymers and inorganic polymers. What are organic polymers? A polymer whose backbone is essentially made of carbon atom are called organic polymers. Example, polyethylene, PVC. These are the organic polymers. Next, inorganic polymers. A polymer generally contains number of carbon atom in their backbone is called inorganic polymers. Example, glass and silicon rubber. Next we will come to the based on the structure, it is classified into three types. One is linear polymers, branched polymers and cross-linked polymers. First we will see the linear polymers. These polymers consist of long and straight chains are called linear polymers. Example, high density polythene, polyvinyl chloride, etc. This is the linear polymer structure. Next we will come to the branched chain polymers. What are branched chain polymers? These polymers contain linear chains having some branches. These are the branches. In branched polymers, these are the branched chain polymers. Example, low density polyethylene. This is the branched chain polymers. Next we will come to the cross-linked or network polymers. What are cross-linked or network polymers? These are usually formed from bifunctional and trifunctional monomers and contain strong covalent bonds between various linear polymer chains, are called cross-linked or network polymers. Example, bakelite and melamine, etc. This is the cross-linked network or network polymer structure. Next we'll come to the based on the mechanical behavior. It is classified into thermosetting polymers and thermoplastic polymers. First we will see the thermosetting polymers. What are thermosetting polymers? Once heated and formed to a shape cannot be reheated and reformed. That is called as a thermosetting polymers. Example, bakelite, epoxy resins, polyesters, etc. This is the thermosetting polymers. Next is thermoplastic polymers. What are thermoplastic polymers? When they are heat and cool, they comes back its original shape. That is called as a thermoplastic polymers. Example, PVC, nylon, polyethylene. These are the examples of thermoplastic polymers. Next, we'll come to the based on their ultimate form and use. First one is elastomers. These are rubber-like solids. Weak interaction forces are present. For example, rubber. This is the elastomers. Then fibers. Fibers are strong, tough, high tensile strength and strong force of interaction are present. That is called as a fibers. For example, nylon 66. Plastics. It is shaped into hard and tough utility articles by application of heat and pressure. For example, PVC, polystyrene. This is the plastics. Now, lastly, liquid resins. What are liquid resins? Polymers used as adhesive compounds in a liquid form. For example, sulfide sealants. This is the liquid resins. These are the based on their ultimate form and use. It is classified into elastomers, fibers, plastics, liquid resins. These are the classification of polymers on their based on origin source. Thank you.